Hi guys, welcome back to creativity-design.com. Today we are going to show you an unboxing of a very interesting device, a particular quadcopter of Xiaomi. We talk about the MiTu. The device was purchased from Banggood, and it's pretty interesting because it's the second drone made by Xiaomi, and it's a competitor of DJI Tello. This is the packaging. It's in blue, and it's brought some description of the features in Chinese. And nothing at all. Where we open the box, we can find it's pretty closed. Okay, just open it. We can find the drone without the battery, and inside the box a user manual in Chinese, some description of drone features, and other kind of instruction about the drone assembling. The battery, the propeller guard, this is the particular battery of this drone, the propellers, and nothing at all. This is all in unboxing, so this is all for now. If you like this drone and would like to know much more about these particular devices of Xiaomi, get in touch with our channel, follow us, thumbs up, and see you next time.